Hi, I'm here with Sudip Lahiri, EVP and Head of Europe for Financial Services at HCLTech. Today, we're going to be discussing the trends shaping financial services, including GenAI, and how HCLTech and AWS are working together to accelerate innovation in the industry.
Yes, Nick, firstly, it's great to see you. And it's great to have the opportunity to talk to you on this very, very important topic, which is extremely relevant for all the financial service organizations across the world.
So, the first question is, what are the key trends driving the adoption of AI and Gen AI in the financial services sector, particularly in the European market? And how is this technology reshaping the industry?
Uh, in terms of the focus in financial service industry, I always say that there are three things which are most important. One is the data. So the data plays a very important role in decision making, in delivering superior service to the customer, thus delivering superior experience, and also having the ability to deal with the regulator and make sure uh, the organizations they run a very compliant business. In all these areas, the GenAI has a huge potential, and the organizations are doing various proof of concepts, and we are extremely privileged and proud to be part of some of these groundbreaking initiatives with some of our very strategic customers across European region. The focus has been strongly on modernizing the legacy, reducing the technical debt, which the organizations have been focused on over the last few years. And they want to use the GenAI adoption as an opportunity to accelerate the modernization journey. Given our strong focus in digital business and digital foundation, and also extremely strong focus with GenAI, especially with AI Force solution, I believe that we are at the forefront in helping our customers to accelerate this transformation journey.
Thank you. And when modernizing legacy infrastructure or embracing emerging technologies, there are often several challenges. So, what are the common challenges financial services firms in Europe face when adopting technologies like Gen AI? And how is HCL Tech helping address these obstacles?
I think, as you rightly said, that in financial service have been uh, a bit of a late entrant in adopting some of the newer technologies like cloud. Uh, the key reason behind this is that there are still significant amount of legacy applications. So there is a need for uh, accelerating reduction of technical debt, modernizing uh, the legacy applications, and accelerate the journey to the cloud. Um, and this is an area which many organizations have faced many challenges in terms of whether to do lift and shift, or whether to re-architect and re-engineer. At HCL Tech, we have a very strong capability in terms of helping organizations to do a proper assessment of their application portfolio and helping them to come up with a very defined roadmap and approach to move forward with this transformation journey. We have been involved with many customers across European region, many banks and insurance organizations, and we have helped them in accelerating this journey to the cloud. The second aspect of it is adoption, and that involves change management and defining a proper target operating model. So we have been working with many of our customers to sort of helping them to define their target operating model, having the right talent and capability on their side, and also helping them to sort of speed up this adoption of newer technologies. The third aspect is the compliance and dealing with the regulator, as the European Central Bank has mandated organizations to be compliant with some of the regulations like DORA. Uh, we have been helping our customers, banks, and insurance companies to adopt the newer technologies and leverage the technological capability to comply with those expectations of the regulators.
Thank you. And can you share a success story where HCL Tech has worked to deliver transformation and business value to a financial services client?
Yeah, I can talk about many success stories, but just to mention one or two very, interesting example. One of the large bank in UK, they decided to launch their fintech payment division to compete with the likes of Revolut or TransferWise. And they were using a platform of another fintech which faced financial difficulties. So the entire initiative was, getting jeopardized. We came in, we took over the platform, we modernized it, we helped them to launch the fintech in UK market, and as we speak, we are further modernizing the platform and also making them ready to roll out other European countries. So that is one example where we have helped one of our large banking customers to launch a payment fintech unit uh, to stay ahead in the market in the payment space. The second example I can talk about is one another large bank in Nordics region. They had a data center and they had incumbent, and also some part of the data center was managed by in-house team. Lot of technical debt, and we transitioned to HCL Tech's data center operation team. We stabilized the operation, brought down the cost, deliver resiliency, and also made sure that we move them into what we call future mode of operation FMO architecture to help them to adopt newer technologies like cloud and even GenAI. So there are many GenAI proof of concepts which we are carrying out at this moment. So it's a very great example of a traditional data center, and we help them to move into a hybrid cloud based infra as a code based digital foundation, and that will drive adoption of modern technologies, and also that will drive digital transformation in the bank. And we are extremely proud of the work which we have done for this customers.
You mentioned talent earlier, and in our recently released cloud research report, Cloud Evolution Mandate to Modernize, we found that 51% of financial services respondents said they faced IT skill gap related issues, which is higher than the 38% in other industries. Why is this problem of talent so pronounced in financial services? And what is HCL Tech doing to bridge this skills gap and provide the maximum business value to our clients?
It's a very good question, Nick. As I said earlier, that financial service organizations have been a bit of a late entrant in adopting some of the newer technologies like cloud, or adopting newer operating model like biz DevOps. Because the financial service large organizations still they have significant amount of mainframe footprint, and the average age of the employees are pretty high, because you really need experienced people to run those legacy mainframe based environment and also applications. So there have been a strong push for the organizations to upskill their talent. We at HCL Technologies, we actually help many organizations to, develop capabilities. Just to give one example, one large bank in Netherlands, when they decided to be a digital bank, and be ahead in the race in terms of customer satisfaction and customer experience. We actually help them to adopt biz DevOps by bringing in modern architecture, helping them to get out of mainframe, move the applications to newer technologies. So there are several transformative initiatives which we have done that allowed them to adopt newer architecture, newer operating model based on Spotify Biz DevOps concept. Help them also to adopt cloud. Also help them to uh, develop a lot of newer applications in modern apps technologies. And also we help them to sort of create capability for their own retained organization, like product owners, so that they can have a better control and better alignment between business and IT. That's just an example of how we brought in our domain knowledge in financial service, our engineering capability, and our technical capability, and all together to help them to be a digital bank. And today, the bank is known as one of the top banks in Europe, delivering superior customer experience and a true digital bank. So definitely, that's an area which we see there's significant interest among the banks and insurance companies, and we are again playing a role of a strategic partner and a challenger to help customers to build those newer capabilities.
Thank you. And back to Gen AI now, given its rapid rise in financial services, how is HCL Tech positioning itself as a leader in this space? And what propositions are HCL Tech offering to help financial institutions effectively leverage this technology?
Yeah, Nick, as you know that we at HCLTech are betting big in GenAI. We have launched AI Lab in various parts of the world. We are investing significantly in developing solutions and capabilities around GenAI. We have launched AI Force as one of very innovative solutions to address some of the challenges which industry is facing. uh, with the banks, with many of our banks and insurance companies across Europe, we are having a very interesting conversations. There are a number of banks where we have, and of course, insurance companies and capital market organizations. That's the sub micro verticals we operate in. Uh, we have helped them to look at their service delivery and adopt GenAI to modernize and transform their service delivery setup. We have brought in significant amount of automation in their engineering side of IT, and that's a journey which we feel that will accelerate. And we are again with our AI Force and other solutions and the capability. I think we are at the forefront again to help our customers to adopt those technologies to improve the service delivery. The second area is delivering superior customer experience and also dealing with some of the challenges like financial crime prevention, which the industry is facing, and also how to make the decision making across the value chain more efficient. So those are the areas where the GenAI has a huge potential. With our fintech and Phoenix Labs, which we have in London and in Amsterdam, and also the AI Lab, which we launched in London, we are engaged in discussions and also conducting various proof of concepts with our customers, which we believe that will accelerate the transformation and also help our customers to have adoption of GenAI and use GenAI to create bigger value for their business.
Thank you. And in collaboration with AWS in particular, how is HCL Tech accelerating innovation within financial services through AI and Gen AI?
You know, Nick, AWS is a very strategic partnership for HCL Tech. At financial service vertical group within HCL Tech, we have called out AWS as a strategic partnership. I personally oversee the relationship with AWS, and it's a cornerstone of of the strategy which we have to deliver value to our customers. Uh, we are, as we speak, engaged with several of our customers to help them in their journey to cloud towards AWS. The insurance regulated business, which we run in UK, called HCLIBS, the platform which is called NeoPass, it runs on AWS. So there's significant amount of consumption which we are contributing to AWS. And overall, we are investing heavily in developing capabilities around AWS, especially GenAI, and helping our clients to take a step forward in adopting some of the newer technologies and also driving law of transformation, leveraging this tools which are available on AWS. So overall, AWS will continue to be a very focused and strategic partnership for us at Financial Service, as also many of our customers, they see AWS as a target platform. We are engaged as we speak in helping our customers to kind of journey to AWS, and also we are engaged with many of our customers in bringing transformation, leveraging the AWS capabilities which exist today. So again, AWS will be a very, very important partnership, and we look forward to collaborating with AWS to deliver more value to the business of our customers.
That's great. And finally, what can enterprises expect from HCLTech's partnership with AWS reInvent this year?
So if you are a AWS customer or thinking of adopting AWS, and you want to know how GenAI can transform your business, drive more business value for you, please do visit us at the HCL Tech booth in AWS reInvent. We'll be there to welcome you and share our success stories and best practices and learning. And we look forward to engaging with you in the AWS reInvent in Las Vegas.
Sudip, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you.